there is an exclusive news reported by TeslaMag in Germany, a German language Tesla news magazine, saying Tesla wants to cast the front frame part in one piece for German Model Y produced at Giga Berlin. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel and ring the bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story. Every new Tesla factory, says TeslaMag, is supposed to be better than previous one. And according to CEO of Tesla, Elon Musk, the electric cars produced in it are also constantly being developed, improved under the hood for more efficient production. For example, it is already known from the Gigafactory currently under construction in Grünheide near Berlin, known as Giga Berlin, that Tesla intends to use 8 of the giant die casting machines, also known as 8 giant Giga Presses, that Musk first spoke about at the beginning of this year. That means abandoning hundreds of robots and instead using huge 100-ton giant Giga Presses, casting machines. According to a Tesla patent from 2019, 4 of them would be enough to manufacture the frame for a complete car from a single source. But as TeslaMag found out during a tour of the construction site for the German Gigafactory, the plans have not yet gone that far yet. Okay, TeslaMag also reports that the house-sized die casting machines, these Giga Presses are 100 tons each. The house-sized die casting machines are referred to as Giga Presses, but their Italian manufacturer Idra, who previously supplied Tesla with smaller systems of those type. Tesla ordered 2 of them, said CEO Elon Musk in an interview this April of 2020. Now, as soon as they are installed, the rear frame part of the Model Y is cast in one piece. The Tesla Model 3 still consists of 70 presses individual part. That means 70 pieces. The Model Y currently consists of 2 large elements plus connectors. In fact, several days ago, we reported that Tesla may have already started in Fremont factory to test the new casting method and testing. The drone pictures showed that, but we're unsure. It was just a report. The 2 Giga Presses have already been seen outside the Fremont electric car plant in California, one of which is said to be producing parts on a test basis, as I just said a few minutes ago. Now, Musk has also already made it clear that this simplification is not yet the end. On the one hand, it is to follow later on with Model 3. On the other hand, Tesla wants to go even further with Model Y. A patent that became public in mid-2019 even describes 4 large die casting machines that together produce the complete frame for a Tesla vehicle made of aluminum. Because 4 of the giant machines in a group are shown close to each other in the Tesla applications for German Gigafactory, it was even conceivable that the complete casting would already be implemented in Model Y from this new factory, and even twice. Now, let me talk about front frame of the Tesla Model Y as cast aluminum. TeslaMag writes that it's not that far yet. This was revealed last week by Ivan Horetsky, who is responsible for the construction of German Gigafactory at Tesla. In fact, see my previous report in which he reports what it takes to run and construct Giga Berlin. So, Ivan Horetsky, during a tour of construction site with journalists, I wish I was there and was part of that tour, But I'm in North Carolina, so that's far, and I know how the traveling is to Europe these days, if how much is open. So during that tour, when TeslaMag asked directly whether the frame for the German Model Y made in Giga Berlin with the 2 4 Giga presses would be cast from one piece, Ivan Horetsky answered and said negative. Tesla in Grünheide is still going one step further. The front part of the frame for the Model Y made at Giga Berlin will also be made there using the casting process, said Horetsky. This is new as a concrete confirmation, even if the Tesla expert and the composer Sandy Monroe had previously speculated about it. The Gigafactory boss at Giga Berlin did not go into any more details, but explained that the front frame of the German Model Y will be cast in one piece as soon as the rear in Fremont. So, apparently, 1 or a maximum of 2 of the Giga presses are sufficient for this purpose in Giga Berlin. When asked why 8 of them are planned in Grünheide, Horetsky said that Tesla wanted to be able to cast a large number of parts there quickly. So the reason Tesla is bringing 8 Giga presses, 8 Giga die casting machine to Grünheide for Giga Berlin is not because Tesla needs all of them to build one car. But Tesla, as like I said, Ivan Horetsky said, 2 of them, maximum of 2 of the Giga presses are sufficient for this purpose. But they're using 8, so Horetsky, so they can to cast a larger number of cars there very quickly. You know that next year Tesla plans to hopefully start the Giga Berlin, have the first Model Y rolling off the assembly line of Giga Berlin in either in spring or early summer, and they're planning to do 500,000 cars a year. And for that reason, they need 8 Giga casting machines, Giga presses, to produce that many cars. So I think this is very interesting development. Tesla wanting to cast the front frame part in one piece for for German Model Y. Friends, let me know what your thoughts are. What are you thinking about this? And do you anything that you think would be very interesting about this development and Tesla versus Fremont, how they make Model Y? Do you think the Model Y made at Giga Berlin will be smaller because of the radical design? In the meantime, this is Arvin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. Ring the bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story. And I'll see you in our next story. Have a wonderful rest of the day. God bless you and peace be with all of you. See you soon later today.